Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change watch addresses on Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet is a desktop Bitcoin wallet that allows full control over your funds while supporting advanced features like hardware wallet, multi-signature setup, and watch-only wallet. A watch-only wallet is a wallet where you can monitor addresses and balances without having the private key. This is useful if you want to track funds on a hardware wallet or the external wallet without risking exposure of the private key. Sometimes you may want to add, remove, or change watch-only addresses, and here's how to do it. First, you need to launch your Sparrow Wallet on your computer. And once you get into this interface of the Sparrow Wallet over here, we can find this advanced on the bottom here. You need to select to this advanced here. And over here, we can find this watch addresses here. That is all. What you can do is simply click over there and you can select to this all last 100 only, 500 only. And after that, it will automatically change and set it to the new reference over here. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.